How to check mobile hotspot story on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you check mobile hotspot story on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings from your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to go the option cellular. Alright, so simply from here you'll have to turn on the cellular data, so tap on cellular data. Alright, so simply from here choose your desired SIM card. Alright, so after you turn on this, you'll be able to find the option personal hotspot, so simply you have to go that option. Alright, so after you turn on the hotspot on your iPhone, you'll be able to see such interface. So whenever some contact or some mobile devices will connect to your iPhone, you'll be able to see features from here. So from there you can easily block that person from your iPhone, so there is no any such options to check your mobile hotspot story on your iPhone. So this is the alternative method, so you can as usual block them from your hotspot during the mobile hotspot on your iPhone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.